Hello historians, welcome to Decoding the Test and our look at the progressive era. As always, what we're going to talk about in the video today is not everything you should know about this time period. It's instead a look at what the test has focused on again and again. If you're looking for that higher level score, make sure you know the details that are on the slide. Now, let's take a look at what the progressive era has thrown up as far as the test again and again and again. And it boils down to four areas: women's suffrage, reform, the Panama Canal, and electricity. Let's look at women's suffrage today. And actually, we can sum this up incredibly easy. No matter what details it throws at you, no matter what it really asks, what you need to know, what you need to be able to understand is that the 19th Amendment gave women the right to vote nationwide. That is what you need to focus on. So take a look at some of these questions. There's a lot of details in the box you see in front of you. It's talking about the year 1913. It's talking about the Congressional Union for Women's Suffrage. It's talking about the National Woman's Party. It's talking about a lot of details here. And then it asks you what the activities described contributed to. The answer is J, the ratification of the 19th Amendment. What you really needed to be able to do was connect women's suffrage to the 19th Amendment. So you really need to understand what suffrage was. Suffrage is the right to vote. It's sometimes called franchise, and every now and then you'll see the word franchise used on the test to mean suffrage. If you can equate women's suffrage to the 19th Amendment, you are golden. Here's another question. Resolve that it is the duty of the women of this country to secure to themselves their sacred right to the elective franchise. See, there's franchise used instead of suffrage. This is from the Seneca Falls Convention in 1848, which is before the time period the test covers. But that's not what it's asking. What it's asking is, how was this achieved? It was eventually achieved with the ratification of the 19th Amendment. Same exact answer. All they've done is change the details of the question. But again, it told you elective franchise. If it had told you suffrage, it would have meant the same thing. Again, you needed to know it was the 19th Amendment. Finally, they might throw a political cartoon at you, but again, look at the answer choice. Answer choice J, the ratification of the 19th Amendment. It's the same exact answer choice over and over and over again. They're just changing the question up. If you look at that, it says votes for women on her hat. All the other details don't matter. Votes for women achieved by the ratification of the 19th Amendment. If you can make that connection, you'll have a good chance of getting a progressive era question right on the test. If there's no questions, comments, or screams of angst, I'll talk to you later.